What's your name?
Tammy Dobbins from Houston, Texas, the baddest radio station, 104.5, Steve Harvey.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Took me a long time to get on in Houston.
Sure did.
I'm in there wearing them out now. Steve Harvey got 112 cities every morning. 9.5 million people. So what you do for a living?
I am a full-time pastor for 18 years, been married to the same guy for 39 years.
Did you just climb up on me just now?
Yeah, I did.
So, who you here with today?
My sister Terry, my best friend Trina!
Let's go on and win some money.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's do it.
All right. Now, I got 10 pictures up on this board. One of them is you. All
Okay.
you got to do is match these pictures up. Every time you match a picture up, I give you $100.
Okay.
I got 60 seconds on the clock. You match all 10 of these in 60 seconds, you get out here with $1,000.
All right. Okay.
Now, since it's the holiday season, our friends at Morphboard, you match that picture, you're also gonna win a special bonus prize.
Okay.
If you match those
Okay.
up.
All right.
All right, so
All
let's
right.
flip them over. Let's scramble them up, okay? And let's see if we can win. Let me get you come down here. Come my sister and your friend.
Yeah, right.
Y'all come on up here and help the pastor. You the sister? Let's go now.
2-7.
2-7.
15-20.
15-20.
3-8.
Hold on. 3-8.
13-14.
Let's see
4-9. 18-20. 13-14.
8-20.
8-20. 15-7. 15-9. 15-8. 15-8. 15-8. 12-17.
12-17.
6-5.
Slow.
11. 2-12. 2-12. 2-12.
Come on.
All right. 9-14.
9.
9-11. 9-11. 9-11. 9-6. 9-6. 11-20. 11-20. 3-5. 11-20.
Okay.
3-5.
3-5. 16. 4-19. 4-19. 4-10.
No.
4-18. 17. 4-18. 4-14. 4-14. 13-18. 16-17. 13-19.
13-16.
13-16.
Okay. Okay. We got 6 matches.
Okay.
That means you won $600. Now, Pastor.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you a chance. You can walk away with this $600 right now. I'm gonna flip over number 16. 18. And if you match it, look, if you match it, you get $700. If you lose it, you lose it all.
Okay, I'm ready. 18. 18.
18.
18.
You got $700. That's pretty good. Now, but anyway, I don't know if you noticed it, but you happen to match the Morphboard logos,
right.
which means you just won a special bonus prize. Since it's the holidays and I'm in the giving spirit, I'm gonna send everybody in the audience home with the same prize too. The Morphboard skateboard scooter combo set. Morphboard is a new, exciting, innovative deck and component system that transforms from a skateboard to a scooter in just seconds. This high-performance system features patented lock and release technology where the flex trigger locks in with a 90-degree turn so kids are ready to skate or scoot in seconds. And you folks at home, you can win too. Just follow us on our social media accounts to find out how. Congratulations, everybody. We'll be right back. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I got a lot more that you're gonna enjoy, so just click to watch the next one. And make sure you subscribe to always know what's happening.